Let's automate data entry with AI. I've got a stack of invoices and receipts here, every one in a different format, and we're going to turn the whole pile into one clean spreadsheet in about a minute. No typing. I'll also show you the one trick that keeps the AI from making things up. Here's a real month for a little matcha shop. A printed invoice from the matcha importer, an email where the milk total is buried in a sentence, a scanned cup and napkin receipt, an invoice from Japan in yen with the date in Japanese, a cash note for a repair. Nothing lines up. This is what data entry actually looks like. I'm in the Claude desktop app. I drag the whole file in at once, and note, this works the same with photos of receipts or PDF invoices, not just text. Everything in. The prompt is where you win or lose. Don't say, read these. Tell it the exact columns you want. Copy this from the description. Extract every record into a table with these columns: vendor, reference, invoice date, due date, amount, currency, category. Normalize all dates to YYYY-MM-DD and all amounts to plain numbers, keeping the original currency. If a field is missing or you're unsure, leave it blank and flag it. Never invent a value. Then give it to me as a CSV I can download. That never invent a value line is the most important thing I'll say today. Hold that thought. And there's the spreadsheet. 10 messy documents, one clean table. Every date in the same format, every amount a plain number, sorted into categories like matcha, dairy, packaging, and bakery ingredients. Watch the catches. The invoice from Japan, it read 94,000 yen, no decimal places because yen doesn't use them. And the date was written the Japanese way, year, month, day in Kanji. It kept it as JPY and got the date exactly right. That one detail breaks most templates. This ad invoice had the amount spelled out, $1,200. It pulled $1,200, and the bakery ingredients invoice only listed line items, no total, flour, butter, sugar, so it added them up for you. Now the important one. This was a PayPal payment for honey from the farmer's market. No vendor name anywhere on it. A worse tool would guess something plausible. This one left the vendor blank and flagged it review. That's exactly what you want. Because in your books, a confident wrong entry is far more dangerous than an honest blank. So here's the rule that makes this safe to actually use. Let the AI extract everything, but tell it to flag, never fabricate. Then you scan the flagged rows before you trust the file. Keep the originals, spot check the flags, and you get the speed without the risk. One click to download it as a CSV straight into Excel or your accounting app. The sample file and the prompt are in the description. Try it before your real stack of invoices. If this saved you an afternoon, subscribe. Thanks for watching.